So in this video we are going to start our new chapter, which is circulation. So it would be a nice topic. Let's start. Circulation is about how exactly blood flows, how does our heart pumps, and everything would be related to that, right? So we are just starting. Okay, so first thing, circulation have three components which we need to know to understand this chapter very nicely, because on this chapter is only based on that things. First would be heart. Why heart? Because heart is the organ which will pump, which will help to do these all activities, right? Then we have blood vessels. Okay, and the third thing which we have is blood. Okay, so now let me tell you one more thing, that blood vessel is like a road. If we have road, this means we need to have something like which could travel, a vehicles or something which can move, right? So blood is called as vehicles. Okay, this is only a easy form to remember so that you don't forget it. Otherwise this is not very much important to remember, right? Then these three are the main component in this blood vessels. In blood vessels, it's like you will have two more things. In blood vessels we have two more things. It's like vein and artery. Okay, we have vein and artery. So vein is about, like, you might be known about this, but still vein is like deoxygenated blood, and artery is about oxygenated blood. This carry oxygenated blood. This is the basic definition you might have heard, right? But what if I say this is wrong? Not wrong, but it's like partially true and partially false, because there's one exceptional. So we are not supposed to write this when anyone asks about a vein and artery. What we'll write, it's like blood, vein is like blood. Okay, sorry. Blood that travels toward heart. Okay, travels toward heart. So when you do opposite of this would be taking away. So it's like blood travels, I'm just writing, away the heart. Still this would not be, you might have not gotten this, but still wait. It's like vein. When our blood is carried towards the heart is called vein, and artery is like away. But the exception I was talking about is this one. In this we have one, vein is like taking towards heart, right? But here one work would be done where it will take away from the heart, right? It will take away from the heart. Okay, so it's like this only take towards the heart. This means it's take oxygenated blood, and this take deoxygenated blood, right? Sorry, this is about deoxygenated and this is about oxygenated, right? But there would be one exceptional case where you will find another thing, which would be, it's like pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein first. Here it's like pulmonary artery. Okay, so the exceptional is like pulmonary vein, which only take deoxygenated, as I've written. But in this pulmonary vein it will take oxygenated blood. Okay, so that's the reason we cannot say that vein is about carrying deoxygenated blood, because sometimes it takes oxygenated like this case you'll find very rare, for the only one time. but still we cannot say, of course, right? This is about oxygenated blood too, but here you will find deoxygenated, because artery is about carrying oxygenated, you know that, but here once it will carry deoxygenated blood like CO2. Okay, I'm sure it would be clear. So this was the exceptional case. Otherwise, if anyone asks you for the basic definition, it would be vein which carry towards the heart and artery which carry away from the heart. Okay, this should be very much clear. So three components, as I just told you, we have three components are like very basic, because these three will make possible to do how it's like, as I told you, heart which will pump the blood vessel which is like a road, and around that things will be like, there's a place where they could move, and what kind of things will be traveling, it's about blood is also called, it's like a medium. We will have another lecture on this basic information. I mean, blood have a lot of parts, their types, white blood cell, then it's liquid plasma component, these all which we'll discuss. But right now blood is only like a medium which will help them to travel, which will help them to go. And yes, blood, I mean, blood do not touch cells, but it's like it's only a region which it goes around. Okay, then blood also flow through inside blood vessels, but it's like a detail, and we'll do that in upcoming video. But right now it's about only circulation. So I'm sure it would be very much clear. Thank you for watching. Then we are coming with another video. Bye bye.